Thinking of shipping your car to China? Whether you're relocating, working abroad, or selling internationally, this video will walk you through costs, legal requirements, timelines, and shipping methods you'll need to know. Let's make it easy, clear, and efficient, with no extra fluff. First up, how much does it cost to ship a car from the US to China? $2,500 to $6,000, depending on the size of your vehicle, port locations, and shipping method. Delivery times range from 2 to 6 weeks, plus a few days for paperwork. There are two main shipping methods: roll-on, roll-off, RoRo, affordable and fast. Your car must be operable and empty. Container shipping, more secure. Ideal for high-value vehicles or if you're shipping personal items with it. For international shipping, a 20-foot container is often used. You can save costs by dropping your car off at the nearest port. Here's what you'll need before your car ships. Note, left-hand drive only, no diesel trucks, no cars older than 20 years. At A1 Auto Transport, we handle. We ship to all major Chinese cities, including Shanghai, Beijing, Tianjin, Shenzhen, Guangzhou, and more. Need to ship more than just a car? Whether it's a backhoe, tractor, RV, or electric SUV, we'll find the best hauling method: flat rack, lift on, lift off, or enclosed container. Over 10,000 vehicles are shipped to China annually, and nearly 90% travel by sea. With our vast network, your car is safely tracked from port to port. Ready to ship your car to China? Get a free quote now at a1autotransport.com. With 30-plus years of international transport experience, we make shipping your car easy, affordable, and stress-free.